My name's Paula Sitars. I'm an office administrator. I do accounts payable, receiving, invoicing, and I'm a lead for my peers. I'm always busy and I like that. You know, it makes my day go by fast. I start off with doing receiving, invoicing, or people are asking me for help, which that's what I love. You know, I love helping people and I'm proud of the knowledge and being like a sponge and being able to retain it, but then also sharing it. That's a part of my day I enjoy. Like, hey, can you show me how to do this? Yes, absolutely, you know? It's a great company. Company's been around since 1848, family owned. You know, when you're working here, the camaraderie, we're big on trying to do the team building, so you kind of just get to know everybody. But it's a great company, great benefits, and I just feel like we're taken care of.